Hi, welcome back friend. Here in this practical exercise, we're going to learn about how we can take input values from a user using a scanner class. Here we would take values for radius from a user and calculate area of the circle based on that input. So let's start. In the beginning of the program, we need to just write a statement for importing a scanner class value. Now just write import java.util.scanner. It will import all the library, functions, methods, constructors of the scanner class. The scanner class allows us to take input from the user very easily. Then we need to define the class name, public, make it public class, say area of a circle. Then we need to define the main block, public static void main string arguments. We can simply write the scanner method. We have to create an object for the scanner class. Just write the name of the class, that is scanner s, which is an object equals to new scanner, and provide a system.in as a value for scanner constructor. Then write system.out.println to display a web message on the screen. Enter radius of a circle to the user so that user may provide input for the radius of the circle, and we can calculate based on a formula. It can work for any value user provide for the radius. Then the format of taking input, it would be double return type, which is return type. R is a new variable equals to s dot next double. S is the scanner object, which will allow you to take the input from the user. It will take the input in the format of decimal values and numeric format, and it will be taken from the user. Then we need to define another variable called area and provide a formula for calculating the area, which would be pi r squared, or 22 into r by 7. Simply. We could also multiply with 3.14 if we don't need the exact value. Then we could display that area on the screen by writing the system.out.println area of the circle equals to area. So there are different errors based on different sets, multiple errors being displayed, but actually there is a one error, that is we have not written the main method. Write public static void main. System string args and provide everything within the parentheses. So it will be executed at there. I'll just hit the execute button. This is displaying the output. There is still an error. So we need to provide a radius of the circle. Now we are using an online compiler, so we need to provide the value in the format of stdin, standard input. If you are using the IDE or command line utility, you will be asked to enter a value. So we have provided a value radius as 4, and it is calculating the area of the circle as 50.2857. My mistake over here, area is written as area of triangle, but actually it is area of circle. Similarly, we could calculate area or parameter or any kind of things by taking simple input from the user. We could change the values as well. The formula, writing of formula is simple, declaring of values. Similarly, for next double, which is a method that allows you to take value in the format of double from the user using scanner class. We have next line, next char, and other methods as well to take different characters or different lines from the user.